The new IPC sections which is used till now it is not enforceable, but the sections which are previous and now, what is new section in Indian Penal Code, that new name is भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023. तो इंडियन पैनल कोड 1860 आईपीसी और भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 में 10-10 सेक्शन करके मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. वो 10 सेक्शन में क्या सेक्शन में चेंजिंग आया है, इसको मैं 1 बाय 1 पूरा वीडियो को मैं दूंगा. 302 पनिशमेंट ऑफ मर्डर. पहले 302 इंडियन पैनल कोड. भारतीय न्याय संहिता में 103 सब क्लॉज 1 पनिशमेंट फॉर मर्डर और 304A is 106. Again I am repeating, 302 previous, that was punishment for murder. Now according to BNS 2023 भारतीय न्याय संहिता 103 सब क्लॉज 1 punishment for murder. Again I am telling you, 302 punishment for murder. Now it is 103 sub clause 1 punishment for murder. Previous was 303 punishment for murder by life convict, and same it is now in for BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it is 104. Now again I am telling you, it is not enforceable in India. Previous 303, now it is 104. Previous 304, now it is 105. Punishment for culpable homicides not amounting to murder. 304A, causing death by negligence. Now the same section it is 106, causing death by negligence. Previous it was 104A, now it is 106, causing death by negligence. 304B, dowry death, now it is according to BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 80 dowry death. Previous was 304B dowry death, but now Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 according to that it is 80, but it is not enforceable by law. It is not enforceable. 305, abatement of suicide, child or innocent persons. It is now little there is change in the sentence. It is 107 now. 305 is 107. Abatement of suicide of child of a person of unsound mind. 306, abatement of suicide. It is now according to BNS. Abatement of suicide is 108. And 307, previous it was 307, now 109, attempt to murder. Thank you. 10 by 10 sections I am giving you in different video. It is 302 to 307. Just now I have told 3 more sections. Just now I want to put into it. 308, attempt to commit culpable homicides, and according to BNS 2023 110, attempt to commit culpable homicides. and 309 to 311, that is deleted. And now 312, causing miscarriage, that is 88. 312 according to BNS it is 88 section, causing miscarriage, and 313, causing miscarriage without women's consent, that is 89, and death caused by act done by the intent of cause miscarriage is 314. And now according to BNS the same section it is 90. Thank you.